In this video, I'll show you how to join the Base44 affiliate program. First, open a web browser on your device and search for Base44 affiliate program. From the search results, click the link that says Join Our Affiliate Program. Once the website opens, click the Join Now button and then click Sign Up. Next, read the contract terms for Base44. Scroll down, check the box that says I have read and accepted the Base44 offer, and then click the Continue button. Now, create your Base44 account using your email or sign up with Apple ID, Facebook, Google, X, or LinkedIn. After that, enter your phone number, check the confirmation box, and click the Get Started button. You will then receive a verification code in your email. Enter the code to verify your account. After verification, you'll be asked how you would categorize your business. You may see options such as social influencer, content or reviews, loyalty or rewards, etc. Choose the option that best matches your work and then click Continue. Next, you'll be asked which methods you use to promote. The available options may include ad website, ad social media, ad mobile app, etc. Select the appropriate options and continue. After that, the form will ask for information about yourself. Enter the required details, check the agreement box, and then click the Submit button. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.